A few months after the launch of the new Mini Cooper 3-door, the 5-door Cooper is now joining the new Mini family. The Mini Cooper 5-door is characterized by the brand's typical driving fun, extended space and distinctive functionality. With a length of 4036mm, a width of 1744mm and a height of 1464mm, the body dimensions are almost identical to those of its predecessor and underline the basic idea behind every Mini, to create as much space as possible on a small footprint. The new Mini Cooper 5-door is available with a choice of two efficient petrol engines. The entry-level model is the Mini Cooper C with a 156 horsepower 3-cylinder engine with 230 Nm of torque. The Mini Cooper S has got 204 horsepower 4-cylinder engine with a maximum torque of 300 Nm. Tell me in the comments how do you like the car and subscribe for more.